UW-Whitewater wants to help you be the best you can be. That's why free tutorial services are offered in Laurentide Hall at the Mary Poppe Chrisman Success Center. There are tutors for almost every subject, from accounting to music and physics to writing. The center is open from 7:30 a.m. to 9 p.m. Monday through Thursday, and 7:30 a.m. to 3 p.m. on Fridays. To make an appointment with a tutor, go to UWW's tutorial services page at uww.edu/tutorial. Then click on a subject area on the left. There you can find information about available tutors and how to contact them. For even easier access, there are also satellite centers and residence halls. Walk-in tutoring is available in Erie and Fricker Hall, as well as Wells 14 Lab. Check the tutorial services page for their subject areas and available hours. Take advantage of UW-Whitewater's free tutoring to help you get the grades you deserve. Stay smart and have a great year, Warhawks.